At this hour, Fulton County District Attorney Fonnie Willis says her team has met a deadline to make significant headway, clearing a backlog of cases involving violent crimes over the last 3 months. She says if her team hadn't been able to indict the people arrested by Tuesday's deadline, they could have been released on bond. 11 Alive's Mara Sirianni spoke to DA Willis today. Mara, how does she say her team avoided this deadline? We know it was a crunch.
It definitely was. Today, DA Willis said that her and her team have been working tirelessly, racing against the clock to indict people who have been arrested in connection with violent crimes and keep them behind bars.
Today, I am happy to announce not one individual in Fulton County will be released charged with the crime of homicide because a lawyer or an investigator failed to work up the case and failed to get it indicted timely.
Wednesday, Fulton DA Fonnie Willis addressing the backlog of unindicted cases. She says 2 factors are to blame: COVID and the more than 11,000 cases her office inherited when the previous DA left office at the end of 2020. Willis said her and her team prioritized sexual predator and other serious cases. Since March of this year, Willis says her office has indicted 193 murder defendants and expects to indict more than 300 total by the end of the year.
They have made sure that the most vile sexual offenders were indicted and charged. Our crisis is by no means over. We understand that other deadlines are coming, that we will continue to dedicate tireless hours.
Right now in the Fulton County Jail, Willis said there are about 40 to 50 still in jail right now who haven't been indicted yet, but are expected to face murder charges. All of them are entitled to bond if they're not indicted within 90 days, and the clock is ticking. Now, another part of this, of course, is having the resources. DA Willis says her office has made at least 55 additional hires. That is to clear that backlog.
All right, Mara, we knew it was going to be tough. They got it done. Thank you for that update.